G'day everyone. I'm just driving home. It's been a great day today. I've done heaps. I'm working out in the country a little bit, or towards the water in the country, so it's about a 40-minute pleasant drive for me. Yesterday though, I was stuck in traffic because there is an accident on the highway, so it took me 2 hours to get home. But hopefully today is a lot better. It looks like it's going to be a good run. So yeah, it's just another day in the life of a professional tiler. I've done my day's work and I'm off home to relax with the family. All right, we'll see you again soon. See you in the morning. Bye.